This is Susie. Susie loves skiing, but she's not very good at it. Although she's not very good at it, she likes to go fast. One day, as usual, Susie was skiing fast when suddenly she fell. Susie was skiing when she fell. Here we have two actions in the past. A long action, Susie was skiing, and a short action, she fell. We use the past continuous to describe the action in progress in the past, and we use the past simple to describe the short finished action. We usually use when plus the past simple, or while plus the past continuous. Remember, to form the past continuous, we use the subject plus the verb to be in the past plus the verb plus ing. Susie was skiing. We use the verb to be in the negative to make a sentence negative. And remember, in the past simple, we have two kinds of verbs, regular and irregular. For regular verbs, we usually add ed, although remember there are some spelling exceptions, and for irregular verbs, we have to learn them. To make a verb negative in the past simple, for regular verbs and irregular verbs, we use didn't plus the infinitive.